Are you coming to say hi? Aw, hello. Oh, where are you going? Hey. Hi. Come here. Come here. No. Meow, meow, meow. I heard you meow. And you just come say meow, hi. And I say hi. Hi, meow. You say meow, hi. I say hi, meow. Hello. Hi, how you doing? It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Aw, how you doing today? Hello, where'd you go? There you are. Hi. Oh, under there. Hi. Hello there. Where you going? Where you going around to? Where you going? Oh, I gotta turn around here. Hi there. There you are. Hi. Hi. Nice to see ya. Nice to see you. Oh, it's a pretty day. It's a nice day. It's not too hot, not too cold. Hmm? Just right. Just right. Hmm? Just right. And how's your day going? How's your day going? You just keep moving around. You keep moving. You keep moving, sweetie. Hey, where are you? Hey, peekaboo, peekaboo. There you are. There you are. Hi. Yeah. Hello. Hello. It's nice to see you. I'm just gonna eat my soup. Oh, there you are. Oh, you going up there? I'm going up here. Hi. Hi. How you doing? Oh, close up. Very close up. Hello. I see ya. I see ya. You want to get closer? Yeah. You want to get closer? Aw. Yeah. You found a spot to say hi. Hello. Hello. And up and down and around. And there you go. There you go. Ah. Well, I better eat my soup. And I'll just talk to you while I eat my soup. Okay. Okay. Oh, nice breeze. Oh, a breeze. Aw. It is a nice breeze today. Yeah. You like that table, huh? It's good for scratching. A little bit of scratching. Okay. Okay. Aw. Okay. There you go. Oh, there goes my fork. Okay. I'll be back. Just gonna eat my soup now. Okay. Okay. Alright. Oh, and up you come. Hello. Okay, I'm gonna eat my soup now.